So guys, let me tell you guys something. Honestly speaking, most creators aren't failing because they lack passion when it comes to content creating. They are failing actually because they lack what we call strategy. You understand? They lack strategy, visibility, and the right type of activation inside the YouTube algorithm. So for a long time, for a long period of time during my during the period I started early, I was stuck in the same cycle. I was stuck in posting videos, refreshing my analytics, hoping that something would magically blow up. But every time I checked my dashboard, the results were still the same. It was still with the same low watch hours, low subscribers, zero momentum, and honestly speaking, it came with a lot of frustration because at a point I was wondering, what am I doing wrong? Do you understand? So that was until something, really happened. Something shifted. I discovered this particular strategy that really helped me to generate over 3,000 watch hours, 2,000 subscribers just within the 7 days. Honestly, yes, you heard me. Within just 7 days, I didn't run any ad, no sponsorship, I didn't do any collaboration, just a smart strategy. Do you understand? So just sit back and watch. So today guys, I'm going to break down exactly how I did it step by step, so you can actually go ahead to duplicate the same result and finally gain that visibility that you actually deserve for your channel. So don't skip this video, because what you've been praying for might be in the next 5 seconds of this video. Now let's begin. Now the first thing is the breaking point. Yes, I'm going to talk about the breaking point, which is when everything actually changed in my analytics. So before these results happened, guys, I was stuck at what felt like the dead zone. Yes, the dead zone of YouTube, like the low impression, zero watch hours increasing, subscribers coming one by one. Sometimes they keep decreasing. You understand? Even self at a point, zero recommendation from YouTube. And at some point, I kept asking myself, why is YouTube not pushing my videos? Why is nobody watching? Why does everyone else grow so fast? But I'm still stuck. But here is the truth, guys. I have to face it. YouTube wasn't the problem. My strategy was actually the problem. Now, mind you, I knew how to create content. Yes, I knew how to create content, but then I didn't know how to activate it. So the moment I fix what I'm about to teach you guys now, everything almost changed overnight for me. Do you understand? Now the first thing that I put into consideration is, mastering the YouTube algorithm. You understand? The YouTube algorithm. So here is the first thing that I actually learned from this, and this changed everything. Now YouTube algorithm is not emotional, it is mathematical. It does not push what you feel that maybe you think this is actually good. It pushes what the system sees as valuable, engaging, clickable, retainable, and also active. And that means you must first of all signal that, like you must first of all signal to YouTube that your video is alive. You must signal it that your video is active and that also your content deserve attention. Do you understand? So most creators post video and they walk away, but trust me, YouTube does not push abandoned video. It does not. So you have to do your possible best to activate it. Okay, that is where my breakthrough actually started. Then another thing is the secret tool that I use, which is the subscriber activation link. Now at a point, I discovered a hidden YouTube feature. Most small creators don't even know about it. I came across that video from one channel like that. You understand? So that's it is actually called the subscribe confirmation link, and here is what it does. Now whenever someone click on your channel through that particular link, YouTube immediately shows a pop-up saying to them, do you want to subscribe? And the viewer cannot do anything on your channel until they respond to that particular question from YouTube. That is the psychological power. Do you understand? Now imagine that you go ahead to put this link in your bio, you put it in your pinned comment, you put it in your video description, you share it on your WhatsApp, your Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and all of that. And you also go ahead to put it in your community tab, you know what it's going to do for you. So every single click is a potential subscriber to your channel. So this is how my subscriber count exploded. I wasn't posting new videos at some point, and I wasn't even running ads at all. I wasn't collaborating with any influencer. I simply placed the link in strategic places and watch my subscribers keep rolling in. So you can imagine doing that daily for the past, maybe for the next 7 days. Trust me, your subscriber is going to really multiply. Okay, then another thing that I also put into consideration is mastering my watch hour. You understand how I was able to hit that 3,000 subscribers. Do you understand? So the real test of the this is actually the real test of the YouTube algorithm, and here is what actually triggered my watch hour to explode and increase. Number one is my playlist. Yes, I group all my videos into playlists and placed those playlists in my end screen, in my YouTube card, in my description, and also in my pinned comment also. So this is how this can actually work for you. Someone, like when someone clicks on one of your video, YouTube automatically plays the next video in that playlist for that person, and this can actually go ahead to increase your session watch time, recommendation traffic, viewer retention, algorithm trust. Do you understand? YouTube loves creators who keep viewers on the platform. Then I also go ahead to share my playlists, yes, to people not actually on my channel. Now most creators share their channel link to a lot of platforms. Trust me, that is a big mistake you're making. You should share your playlist, because playlist views count multiply. It keeps people watching multiple videos without effort, and every person who clicks on my playlist actually watches 2 to 4 videos in a row. So that is where my watch hour began to skyrocket, even when I didn't actually know like the impact that this can actually have on my channel. And then I noticed that the watch hour activation window. Now this is the part that most creators ignore. This is the part that told YouTube, okay, this video is valuable, go ahead and push it. You understand? So for every new upload, I did the following within the first 3 hours. After uploading my video, I watch it myself fully, and after that I pin a comment. I reply comment that comes in instantly, and I also share my video sometimes in my community tab. I also share it in some of the social media platforms that I have, and I also, although sometimes I don't change my thumbnail, but there was a time I actually changed my thumbnail and I saw some some impressions on it. So the first 3 hours tells the algorithm whether your video is worth recommending, and the more activity it sees earlier, the more for you. So guys, these are many things that I actually did. Do you understand? So if you're watching this video right now and you are feeling discouraged, you're feeling like YouTube doesn't see you, you're feeling like your hard work is going unnoticed, guys, hear me clearly. You are not failing, you are not behind, and you are not invisible. You simply need the right strategy, and your breakthrough is not far. YouTube is not impossible, and your results are not played, they are preparing. So if I could achieve these 3,000 watch hours and 2K subscribers in the 7 days from consistency, clarity, and strategy, you too can actually do it. Mind you that the algorithm is not your enemy. No, it is simply waiting for you to activate it the right way. And the moment that you can do that is now. You understand? You need to start today and implement all of these things. So if this video helped you, go ahead and comment in the comment section, my 7 days begin now. And if you are serious about growing your channel, go ahead to click the next video on your screen right now, where I will break down a lot of things on how you can actually grow your YouTube channel. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and like it so that other person can actually get to see this video. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our content. Thank you very much, and see you guys in my next video.